So this is the Chapter 11 practice test, page 1 through, what do we have? 4. So on page 1, you want to measure, to find the measure of the arcs or the central angles, and that it points out that you want to look for diameters, but you should also be looking for little boxes, vertical angles, things like that to help you solve. Down at the bottom here, you just need to know that all the radii have the same measurements. So when you're missing a piece, you just subtract it from the whole thing. Top of page 2, you're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to get that piece. Then for 7 through 11, you're going to find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. So again, using things like diameters, inscribed angles, inscribed quadrilaterals should have opposite angles equal to 180. They're supplementary. Top of page 3. You are looking for inscribed angles, so if you're going this direction, you want to double it. If you're going this direction, you want to half it. Looking for diameters, looking for right triangles, looking for tangents that are going to have the same value on all sides, and then add it up to get the perimeter. Top of page 4, find the measure of the angle indicated, assume the line's pertangent, are tangent, so you're looking for vertices that are on, in, or outside of the circle, and that's going to depend if you add together and take half, subtract and take half, or just take half. And then down at the bottom are the 3 cases of secant, secant, chord, chord, or secant, tangent.